Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I haven't even done nothing to this wig and I'm loving it already. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And y'all, let me tell y'all about this hair right here that I have on. I'm really loving this hair. I'm really loving this look right here. This is big hair, don't care. And you can just spin your head around and you can see that she has some body, y'all. She got body. And her name is Game Changer. And this is her on the stock card right here. And she comes in all different type of colors. She comes in the color 99J, F1B30, F430, T1B27, T1B30, and T1B burgundy. And you can wear her as a left part, a center part, or a right part. And she is from Sensational, and I got her in the color 1. And this is from the Curl Kinks & Co. And this is 4B, 4C hair texture, which is my natural hair texture is 4C. But y'all know I cut my hair off last year and it's just now growing out. So right now it's like, it's not even a mini fro, it's still growing out. But I'm really loving this hair right here, and it's so soft. And y'all, she is not even heavy on my head at all. She's not heavy. She is so lightweight. She's just easy breezy. And the only thing I did was cut the lace, and I didn't even do nothing to the parting. This is how the parting space look. I didn't even do nothing to the parting. And you know, she has a comb in the front, 2 combs in the back, adjustable straps. And yeah, this is gonna be my everyday wig right here. Every day. This is a put on and go type of wig. You don't even have to do nothing to it. The only thing you have to decide is how you're gonna work the parting. That's it. And that is what I like. And this is very beginner friendly too. And like, don't get intimidated about the big hair, because she is very easy to work with. And another thing that I'm going to be doing in this video today is I'm going to be doing makeup $3 and under. So it's going to be $1 to $3 makeup today. And I'm going to be using makeup from Dollar Tree, shopmissa, and AliExpress. So y'all be ready for that, and I will be back.
baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. And yes, I did this whole look with makeup, $3 and under. Yes, this proved to y'all that y'all can do a bomb makeup look and not spend a whole lot of money. Who doesn't love that? Because I know I do. And y'all see that highlight I got going on? Y'all see that highlight? And I'm gonna let y'all know what I use. Everything I got on, from the lashes to the lipstick to the eyeshadow, is $3 on the even the setting spray. And I'm just gonna grab the first product that I see. I don't know if y'all have ever watched any of my older videos, but I got this AOA Studio contour stick for $1 from shopmissa, and I only got a little bit left. But this is, I got this in the color Sand. This is the color that I use to contour with. And of course my LA Colors eyeliner. I want to say this was $2. I believe I got this from Fred's. I think, because I done had it for a while. It's another pharmacy store, but it closed down a while back. And of course my Color Make eyeliner pencil, and I got this in the color Black Brown. I use this for my eyebrows, and I got this from Dollar Tree for $8. And it doesn't come with this end right here. It actually comes with a regular top. I just switched these two. And this is another brow pencil from LA Colors. It's in the color Black. I use this for my waterline. And I got the LA Colors bronzer. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. And I also use this to give my face a little bit of more contouring. And I use this on my nose, and I use it for to create a contour line. Y'all get what I'm saying. And I got, my bad y'all, this concealer from LA Colors is in the color Tan, and I got this for like $2, I want to say. I got this from Fred's also. I didn't use that. And these lippies, they are both from LA Colors, except this is just the LA Colors lipstick, and it's in the color Peekaboo. And this lippy right here is in the color Vibe. I showed y'all this at the beginning of the video, but I put those two lippies together to create this look right here. And of course the eyelash glue. I think this was like $2 at Dollar General. It's a Broadway brand eyelash glue. And it says it's a 24-hour hold, but I never wore my lashes for 24 hours. And of course this eyeshadow palette, this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette from AliExpress. And the two foundations that I use, I got this from shopmissa. It was only $1. And I got this from AliExpress. I already told you how much this was. I just put these two colors together so I can get the right foundation color. And I'm shocked, it actually turned out good, y'all. Look how good it matches my skin. And of course the mascara is LA Colors mascara. I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1. And the setting powder, and it's in the color Warm. I got this from shopmissa for $1. And this pretty loose face and body shimmer, and it's Magical Dust. And I use this as a highlight. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all so y'all can see how pretty it is. There you go. Y'all see it? It's so pigmented, and it's only $1. I got that from the Dollar Tree too. And of course the lashes, it was in the style Danity. I got these from Dollar General for $1. And last but not least, this setting spray is from You Can Be setting spray. And y'all, when I sprayed it, it smells so good, and it actually comes out. I'm gonna spray it again. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna demonstrate it for y'all. It smells so good. It smells so good. I can't describe the smell, but it's not like a floral smell, but it is a very pleasant smell, and I think it works pretty good. And if y'all wondering what this spot is in my hair, it's from when I was doing my foundation and it got in my hair. But yeah, that is it for today. Let me know what y'all think about everything. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Let me know what y'all think about Game Changer, because that is what her name is. Her name is Game Changer. And she is the truth. She is life. And that is all. And I will see y'all in my next video.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could